The problem is that children with ADHD ages 4 through 17 have difficulty learning passively due to symptoms such as trouble focusing and impulsive behaviors and need an engaging but non-distracting study tool. Design a SparkFun product that promotes interactive learning by keeping students with ADHD engaged and interested in the experience because it offers regular feedback for achievements to keep them motivated to learn, acting more like a video game.
When doing our research, we found that children with ADHD suffer with symptoms such as trouble paying attention and impulsive behaviors. Children with ADHD might have constraints when compared to children without ADHD. However, computer games is an instance where both children with and without ADHD perform similarly. Most successful video games include interaction with other players, comparison of scores, audio-visual effects, and continuous motivation, a balance between challenge and satisfaction.
Quizlet is one resource that can help students study. It essentially works as a digital flashcard, but also has gaming options. This resource is great for memorization and even helps the environment by eliminating flashcard paper waste. However, this resource lacks the lights and sounds that interest a younger demographic of students. Another example of a studying resource is Kahoot. This website allows the public to make and play multiple choice games with a group of students. However, Kahoot is meant for a group rather than individual studying, and the time limit may rush or panic students.
Justin is playing the role of one of our typical users. He is getting prepared to play JAHMStudySession. Here, Justin gets to choose which set he will study from. He chooses the multiple choice Spanish vocab. On his first question, he gets to answer right, so the correct sign comes up and he gets a green LED. On his next question, he's wrong, so he gets a red LED. On his final question, he's wrong again. His percentage correct of 33% is displayed.
The JAHMStudySession has 2 inputs and 3 outputs. The inputs consist of a keypad, which allows for answering, as well as a start button, which allows the game to begin and restart. The outputs include an LCD, which displays questions, and a piezo buzzer, which gives feedback, as well as lights, which indicate whether the answer is correct or incorrect. The dimensions of the box are roughly 5 by 7 inches in width and length, and 2 inches in overall depth. This is our part being laser cut in the library. And this is the SolidWorks drawing we used to get the laser cut part done.
StudySession first displays a welcome message and asks the user to select a study set. The program then displays a question on the LCD and the user selects an answer on the keypad. If the user answer is correct, it lights up the green LED and the piezo buzzer plays a happy sound. If the answer is wrong, the red LED lights up and a sad sound is played. When the user has answered all questions, the game ends and displays percentage correct. The user is given the option to play again.
Since our target demographic is children, when designing JAHMStudySession, we had to ensure that the system was easy for the user to use and safe from open electrical wiring. The system had to be portable so it could be moved from place to place. We also wished for the device to be inexpensive. Our product had to be interactive and had to maintain a balance between helping the user focus while trying not to overstimulate the user.
The JAHMStudySession performs each of the desired functions we laid out for it upon planning. It displays the question to the LCD, takes input through the keypad, and determines whether the answer is right or wrong, and then outputs the response using both an LED and piezo buzzer as reward to the user. It keeps track of the correct answers and the percentage correct, and gives the user an option to replay.
Our project meets all the original design constraints. It costs less than $33 with a grand total of only $5. It is lightweight, weighing only 15 ounces, and was completed before April 13th.
Most of the components used in the design of StudySession were included with the original SparkFun kit, so we only spent $5 on the laser cutting.
Our project achieves our original goal of helping ADHD students learn. The keypad we integrated allows for more complex questions, including multiple choice and math. We have all learned how to write unique Arduino code and how to make in-depth designs on SOLIDWORKS. This semester, we met the challenge of incorporating a keyboard into our design. We also added the capability of studying with multiple choice and math questions on top of the true-false questions we had last semester. We added the ability of having multiple study sets on one device due to the feedback of a professional in the field. Our team worked well together throughout the semester and are very proud of producing this completed project that has even better improvements than we ever expected when starting this project. Team members learned additional skills of coding and laser cutting to complete this project.